Hi friends, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. On the occasion of upcoming Rakshabandhan, I have come with a video to show you all how to prepare simple and beautiful Rakhis for your beloved brothers. So friends, first I am going to show you how to make this Rakhi. So let's see what all things are required. First, a small cardboard piece, scissor, some pearls for decoration and the thread. And I am using here gun glue because it sticks well. If you don't have, you can use fabric glue also. So we are going to start. First I took the red thread and the cardboard piece, that is approximately 1 inch length. Now we have to roll the thread around the cardboard like this. You have to roll it more, otherwise you won't get the thickness. Now here we stop. We need to cut. Now we'll just pull out the whole thread slowly and hold it from the center. Tie with the same color. Now here these end the same way the other side. Now we have to separate these like this from one end. Same thing we'll do on the other end also. Just make sure in every place the thread quantities comes approximately same. Now after that we have to press. You can take a toothbrush, rub it nicely. Before starting the decoration, again we should make sure that all the areas are in the same level. Yes, now it's done. So now we are going to start the decoration. I am using the stone in the center. Now we'll stick the petals with these pearls. Now the central part is ready. Now we'll make the thread to tie. So here we are taking a yellow thread. First we have to measure the length required, and according to that we'll take 6 strands. So here I have already taken 6 strands. You can see 3, 4, 5, 6 strands. Now first we will put one pearl. Like this we'll bring, and we have to put a knot here. The same way, one knot we'll put here also. Now we are going to separate 2 threads into 3 parts. Now we'll make the braids. Insert a pearl here also. Yes. Again we put a knot here. So now the thread is ready. I will take a small paper and we'll just cut it to round. And we have to stick it in the center. This is the center. Our first Rakhi is ready. Now we are going to make this Rakhi. Let's see what all things are required. Required some pearls, thread, 2 needles, a small cardboard piece which we used earlier, and a scissor. So let's see how to make. We'll take a thread. In one end we'll put a needle. In the other end we'll put a knot here. Put a golden, like this. We can continue. Now we'll remove this needle and separate the thread. Now we have to add the bigger pearls. The center portion we are going to make. So first we need 1 pearl on the right needle, and the left needle we have to insert through this pearl, and we have to pull both the needles in the opposite direction. Now we have to put 2 pearls. So one from right side, the other from left sides. Now we are going to use 3 pearls. Again we'll remove 1 needle. In the same way as we have done here, we'll do this side also. Again we need to put a knot. And I am taking the cardboard, the yellow thread, here our second Rakhi is ready.